How to equip, plant, defuse, and drop the spike in Valorant. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about equipping, planting, and defusing and dropping the spike in Valorant. So I'm going to show you how you can use the keys in your keyboard and the shortcuts to do those activities. So first, let's go ahead and launch our Valorant. You can also do this before starting the game, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do it inside the game. So now let's get started. You can see the indication that the round 1 is for the defenders. So this team has to go ahead and defuse. You can see that the spike is in the attacker's side. But let's suppose if this spike was already planned and we were supposed to defuse it. In my case, I need to go ahead and press 4 on my computer. So in order to view the settings, click ESC on your keyboard. Then go to Controls, go to Equipment, scroll down, and you will see the interaction section where there is Inspect, Use Object, Use Spike, which is Plant or Defuse, or Use Item, Open Expression Wheel open and hold, and expression will hold delay. As we're looking for spike, plantation, or diffuse, mine is currently set to 4. So if I press 4 on my keyboard, I equip the spike instead of my weapon or knife. So if you want to change this key, just click on the box and choose your key. It's that easy. Lastly, if you want to drop the spike and give it to a teammate, look at the drop equipped item, which you will find under equipment, and here it is set to G for me. And if you want to change it, simply tap on that and choose any key that you'd like to set, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and simply equip, plant, and defuse or drop the spike in Valorant. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.